Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. 2025 Hyundai Sonata. The Hyundai Sonata sedan is rumored to be cut in production, with Hyundai preparing a replacement for this car through the Hyundai Ioniq 6 electric sedan. If you like the video, you can subscribe to the channel right now and join the Kerners family. Hyundai Sonata is arguably one of the legendary models of the Korean manufacturer. Unfortunately, the changing times made Hyundai sedans that were popular in their time will be replaced with new models. This change is in line with Hyundai's focus on electrification. Purporting to the South Korean news page Chosun, Hyundai has decided to produce the popular sedan no longer. Hyundai revealed that it has not yet started the development of the latest generation of Sonata. It's no secret that Hyundai is replacing its lineup with a new model, but the replacement of the Sonata is not predicted to happen anytime soon. Because the facelifted version of the Hyundai Sonata is prepared for release next year. That gives it an extra 5-7 years before Hyundai actually puts the Sonata name to sleep from its model lineup. In addition to entering the realm of electrification, changing market conditions are predicted to be Hyundai's most significant reason for shutting down Sonata. The automotive market, which prefers SUVs, is suspected to be the cause. The Sonata isn't the only sedan to be trimmed as a result of this shift in demand. Other manufacturers decided not to produce sedan models anymore. Among them are the Chevrolet Cruze and Chevrolet Impala to the Ford Fusion and Ford Focus. Guys, liking our videos and subscribing will be great motivation and support for us. Who is a Hyundai Sonata replacer? It seems that Hyundai didn't take long to find a replacement for the Sonata because they are preparing a Hyundai Ioniq 6 sedan with its exact dimensions and capacity. So to avoid competition in the same segment, it's no wonder that the Sonata will be cut in production. The IT6 is a mid-size sedan developed based on the Hyundai Prophecy concept. In the electric car segment, the Ioniq 6 will go head-to-head with the Tesla Model 3 and BMW. There is no further information regarding the specifications of the Hyundai Ioniq 6. However, some media predict that Hyundai's electric sedan will use two types of drives, one electric motor for the rear drive type and two electric motors for the all-wheel drive type with a maximum power of up to 300 horsepower. Is the Hyundai Sonata going to die? Well, however, a South Korean newspaper, Car and Driver reported that Hyundai is considering stopping the 9th generation Sonata's development. The next generation model is supposed to arrive sometime in 2025. However, according to an anonymous insider report by Chosun, the mid-size Sonata will die after the life cycle of the 8-gene sedan ends. To date, Hyundai has not confirmed the veracity of the report. In addition, a company spokesperson told Car and Driver that the Sonata remains and will continue to be an essential part of Hyundai's product range. Any rumors about his future are pure speculation, so at least for now, the Sonata is not going anywhere. In addition, similar rumors have emerged about other Hyundai Motor Group sedans in the other past. For example, the Kia Stinger is supposed to die after Q2 2022, but as of this writing, it is still alive and drifting away. Plus, the Hyundai Sonata is a significant car for the company. First, it was Hyundai's first car sold in South Korea, reports Autoblog. Secondly, it is one of the company's best-selling models, just behind the overseas Elantra, Accent, and Avante. And this is one of the most reliable mid-size sedans you can buy. In short, Hyundai has every reason to keep this sedan. Although the Sonata is one of Hyundai's best-selling models internationally, US sedan sales have slipped. Despite solid reviews, Hyundai sold only 83 434 Sonatas in 2021 here. In comparison, Hyundai sold 216,936 units in 2014, and according to other South Korean outlets, some brand executives point to the 8th generation Sonata design as the source of the decline in sales, Autoblog said. However, as mentioned earlier, Hyundai invests heavily in EVs. As such, it is flowing billions of dollars to a dedicated battery and EV plant in Georgia that will be fully operational by mid-2025. This is all part of his plan to introduce 11 new EVs by 2030. Remember that Hyundai has not confirmed or denied that the Sonata will be discontinued. Despite this, as mentioned earlier, the life cycle of the current Gene model is not over, so if you want it, you still have plenty of time. Thanks for watching, and special thanks for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or dislike.